In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up Google Authenticator for Salesforce so you can add an extra layer of security to your login. Before starting, make sure the Google Authenticator app is installed on your phone and you can access the email tied to your Salesforce account. Inside Salesforce, click your profile icon and go to Settings, then navigate to Advanced User Details. Look for the option related to registering a one-time password authenticator and click Connect. You'll first verify your identity, often by entering a code sent to your email. After verification, Salesforce displays a QR code. Open Google Authenticator, choose to add a new account, and scan the QR code. The app will begin generating 6-digit codes that refresh every 30 seconds. Enter the current code in Salesforce to complete setup. From then on, you'll use these time-based codes during login challenges. Keep your device secure and never share verification codes. Subscribe for more clear Salesforce tutorials.